Welcome to the best picks. The best telescope counterweight is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial accessories for any amateur astronomer. A properly balanced telescope ensures smooth, precise tracking of celestial objects, minimizing vibrations and maximizing image stability, ultimately leading to more enjoyable and rewarding observing sessions. Choosing the right counterweight can significantly impact your viewing experience, so let's explore what makes a great one. Number 5. Skywatcher Star Adventure Counterweight Kit. Enhance your astrophotography experience with this essential accessory. It's designed to perfectly balance your Star Adventure mount for smoother tracking and stunning images. This kit includes a substantial 25-pound counterweight. It provides the perfect balance for your equipment, ensuring smooth, stable tracking during long exposures. The included threaded shaft ensures a secure and easy connection to your mount. It's designed for simple setup and reliable performance. It seamlessly integrates with your Star Adventure mount, making it easy to achieve perfect balance. This leads to sharper images and less frustration. Please note, this kit is designed for the original Star Adventure mount and is not compatible with the Star Adventure GTI. Double-check your mount model before purchasing. It's designed for easy setup and use, even for beginners. Simply attach it to your mount and adjust until you achieve perfect balance. The package includes a 25-pound counterweight and a threaded counterweight shaft. Everything you need for perfect balance is right here. What we like. It's a dedicated counterweight for the Star Adventure mount. This ensures perfect balance and smooth tracking. If you own a Star Adventure and need reliable weight, this is the one for you. What people say. Buy a 12mm x 8mm stainless threaded insert and it works perfectly. Like it was meant to be. The quality is top-notch, and it has made balancing my gear so much easier. It's well built, easy to use, and a perfect fit for my setup. Purchased for my Star Adventure mini tracker and allows the SAM to operate smoothly with a higher payload. Well made, but the Phillips screw and washer arrangement at the bottom end could be improved with a hand-tightened screw instead. It's a minor point though. Number 4. Bresser EXOS Counterweight. This 2 kg counterweight is designed for enhanced stability and performance. It's perfect for balancing your telescope mount. It's compatible with the EXOS 1 and EXOS 2 mounts, and any other mount with a 20mm counterweight rod. It ensures smooth tracking and precise movements. The 2 kg weight provides the perfect counterbalance for your telescope and accessories. Achieve optimal balance for effortless viewing. Simply attach it to your mount's counterweight rod. It's quick and easy to install, allowing you to get started with your observations quickly. The package includes one 2 kg counterweight. Everything you need to improve your astronomical viewing experience is right here. This counterweight ensures smooth, precise tracking, essential for capturing stunning astrophotography images. Take your astrophotography to the next level. What we like. It's designed for specific mounts with a 20mm rod. This guarantees a secure fit and precise balance. If you have an EXOS mount and need a simple, effective counterweight, this is a great choice. What people say. The center hole is a standard size and a locking nut keeps it firm onto my counterweight shaft. I was looking for a lighter counterweight for my mount and this fits weight shaft perfectly. It's just a counterweight and does what it's supposed to. Number 3. Vixen 25801-7 Telescope Weights. Enhance your astronomical viewing experience with these precision-engineered weights. They're designed for optimal balance and stability, ensuring smooth and precise telescope movement. It seamlessly integrates with various Vixen equatorial mounts. This ensures a perfect fit for your existing setup, maximizing performance. These weights provide superior balance to your telescope, minimizing vibrations and ensuring crystal-clear images. Experience enhanced stability and sharper views. Despite their effectiveness, they are lightweight and easy to handle, weighing only 2.2 pounds. They're built to last, ensuring long-term use. These weights are meticulously crafted for precision and accuracy. They are designed to provide the perfect counterbalance for your telescope, optimizing its performance. Simply attach them to your mount and adjust as needed. They're designed for ease of use, even for beginners. Take your stargazing to the next level with these essential accessories. Experience enhanced stability and sharper images, revealing the wonders of the universe. What we like. It's lightweight yet compatible with various Vixen mounts. Its color makes it easy to spot. If you need a lighter counterweight for your Vixen telescope and appreciate a touch of style, this is perfect for you. What people say. As described, very well constructed. GPD2R200SS. Number 2. Celestron Advanced VX 12 pounds counterweight. This counterweight ensures your telescope is perfectly balanced. It's a must-have for smooth, precise movements. It's designed to work perfectly with your advanced VX mount. Installation is quick and easy. Add more equipment to your telescope without sacrificing performance. It handles the extra weight with ease. This accessory minimizes unwanted movement when the locks are released. Enjoy smoother tracking. Experience improved handling and tracking accuracy for better observations. Get ready for stunning views. It's built to the high standards you expect from Celestron. Enjoy years of reliable performance. What we like. It's precisely balanced for Celestron Schmidt-Cassegrain telescopes. This ensures smooth operation and accurate tracking. If you have a Celestron Advanced VX mount and need precise balance for your setup, this is ideal. What people say. This fits the bore of the Ioptron CEM 40 old version pre-2022, 12 pounds is a good spot for most small and mid-range telescopes. It's great to just need one weight. Product is well made and it fulfilled its purpose. Super weight to balance an ES-152AR on a Skywatcher EQAZ mount. Yes, big load for the mount, but this counterweight, plus to 2 OEM weights that came with the mount, allows for perfect balance. Very nice fit and finish. Number 1. Celestron CGEM 17 pounds counterweight. Need extra weight for your astrophotography setup? This 17 pounds counterweight is the perfect solution for balancing heavier loads on your Celestron CGEM mount. It's designed to ensure smooth, precise tracking during long exposures, crucial for capturing stunning celestial images. Get the balance you need for perfect astrophotography. It seamlessly integrates with your Celestron CGEM computerized equatorial mount. Enjoy a perfect fit and enhanced performance. This counterweight significantly improves the balance and smoothness of your telescope's operation, leading to more accurate tracking and better image quality. Experience smoother operation and better results. Weighing in at 17 pounds, it provides the extra weight you need to perfectly balance even the most demanding astrophotography setups. It's the perfect addition to your equipment. Simply attach it to your mount and experience the difference. It's easy to use and will improve your astrophotography experience. What we like. It's a heavy-duty counterweight for serious astrophotography. This allows for balancing heavier setups. If you're into astrophotography with a CGEM mount and need extra weight capacity, this is the one to get. What people say. It's a 7.7 pound-kilogram weight identical to the one included with many Celestron telescopes, such as the ones in the CGEM series. The screw for tightening it on the rod is rubber tipped so it grips on the rod really well. The Celestron 17LB counterweight goes perfectly with the rig I have for astrophotography. It's made of quality materials. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.